Moto IR2 Championship is another titanic battle. EJ Sobretodo on pole of Biman Kicks Angkas, again followed by Honda Triumph GT's Jacob Sablaya, and third, another brand joining the battle, Dustin Isguera of Dino Gile MLW on a Yamaha R15, and then another brand, Carl Ferrer, last RC Cup winner of 1376 Moto on a KTM. So the first four are four different motorcycle brands, and of course Queenie Claveria in the of Team Sec Moto Supply 137 on a brand new KTM. So ito po, really this is quantity over quality. Quality over quantity po. We have four different motorcycle brands out of the five, and look at the qualifying. The first three bikes is covered by less than 2 seconds. No? This is the start. Alright, please start. Oh, magandang start ni Dustin Isguera. Dustin Isguera got a good start. Immediately into second. Na-overtaken niya si Jacob. So it's Suzuki, Yamaha versus Honda. So yung top 3 GP riders immediately lumalayo na agad sa ating mga SP riders who are on both on KTM. But again, they are not competing. They are different classes. Wow, what a great start by Dustin Isguera, but he ran wide. Let's see kung nakuha ni Jacob. No, wow, si Sobretodo of Team Angkas in just a few corners. Nakalayo na. Okay, first time here sa technical section, back session of the lap. Si Jacob nakatutok kay Dustin, pero medyo nag-slide ang rear wheel ni Sobretodo. Wow. So Viman Angkas rider Sobretodo taking the lead. Lap 1 followed by Yamaha and Honda of Isguera and Sablaya. Just less than 1 second separates first and second, pero sa Sablaya tutok naman kay Dustin. So again, si Sablaya po, first year po niya sa GP class, no? Promoted lang siya to intermediate just before the pandemic. So actually this year is supposed to be his learning year, racing only with the expert class, but now you can see he's already fighting for the win with the top racers. Wow, yung tutok na tutok, lakas ng loob, tutok. So bigyan natin kung mahabol niya, kung ma-overtake niya. Ayan na, trying the inside, nope, kulang. Meanwhile, Sobretodo is slowly pulling away from the green and red bikes of Isguera and Sablaya. He is the fourth placer and leader in the SP class, Carl Ferrer of Team Sec Moto Supply KTM, followed by Queenie Claveria, his teammate. What a nice shot. Wow, ang ganda ng bagong kulay ni Sobretodo. Angkas Motorsports colors, brand new for this weekend. Last April 24, nakita natin yung kanyang Super Sports 300 bike, all decked out in Angkas colors. He is at fourth placer and leader in the SP class, Carl Ferrer on a KTM of Team Sec Moto Supply. Again, thank you Sec Moto Supply. Ayan na, si Jacob, tutok na tutok si Dustin. Talagang naghahanap na siya kasi lumalayo na sa Sobretodo. Nakakalayo. Yun. So naghahanap na ng way na makalusot si Jacob. But again, Dustin is there rightfully because he had such a good start na na-overtaken niya agad si Jacob. So he now has to defend. Wow! Woo! Jacob trying the inside, trying the outside. Let's see, para pong Moto3 ang labanan. There goes Jacob. Wow, muntik-muntikan. Talagang on the limit si Jacob na going to the outside. Ngayon, tignan natin kung makakalabas. Sa labas! Ayan na! No! Kinulang. One more lap. 4 laps to go. Halfway of the race na tayo. So it looks like Sobretodo will take this one for the win. Now the exciting battle now is for the runner-up spot between Yamaha's Esguerra and Jacob Sakblaya's Honda. So parang IRGP all over again. Ito pong dalawa ang naglaban for the manufacturer's trophy ng IRGP, with Jacob and Dustin Esguerra taking turns in the lead and Esguerra prevailing at the end to take the manufacturer's award for Yamaha. Ayan na si Jacob. Oh, the outside. No. Oh. Very tight, very tight. So medyo tight ang racetrack pagka dikit ang laban, no? Siguro Sobretodo is now almost 3 seconds ahead, but as you can see, Yamaha versus Honda is, ayan na, halos half bike length na lang. Ken Jacob, oh, hindi niya na-overtake on the inside, went to the outside, gonna try the outside, medyo mahirap yan. Just 3 laps to go. Okay, outside, inside, try niya again. Let's see kung makakakuha ng magandang exit, no? Magaling si Dustin. Dustin is not an IRGP, is an IRGP legend for a reason. He knows how to defend. Jacob trying to look in the inside. No, hindi bibigay ni Dustin ng ganung kadali. Dito, Jacob, dito siya kailangan tumiming ng maganda. Dito siya medyo alam na ni Dustin. So Dustin is racing with one eye behind his helmet. Binabantayan po yan ng mabuti si Jacob Sablaya, covering every move, every advance na gawin niya. Nakikita niya in a safe way, of course. Ayan, Jacob will now try to outbrake him and go in the outside, pinapatungan. Ayan na, can he out? Yeah, there goes Honda of Jacob Sablaya, finally able to overtake Dustin Esguerra with the power accelerating move from turn 1 on the outside. Wow, akala ko sa inside kukunin. On such a tight corner, sa outside kinuha. Outside pala now with 2 laps to go. Ang tanong, kaya pa ba niyang habulin itong mama na to, number 22 of Angkas Motorsports Kicks V-Man of EJ Sobretodo of Alpine Star KYT. Pero ayan si Dustin, bumabalik si Dustin. Hindi nag-give up ang IRGP legend Dustin Esguerra. Wow. This is what we're saying. It's a quality over quantity. Nakita nyo naman ang laban ng tatlong Titanic Japanese brands, Suzuki, Honda versus Yamaha. Okay, this is the last lap. Is EJ Sobretodo on the last. Okay, EJ Sobretodo going to the last few corners for his second checkered flag of the day. Meron pa po siyang isang karera, sila ulit ni Jacob. Ayan na. Okay, here we go. Ian J. Sobretodo taking his checkered flag, winning the Moto IR2 race, with Honda's Jacob Sablaya taking runner-up, prevailing over Dustin Esguerra of Team Yamaha. Wow. So, Papa Dustin, mukhang kailangan mag-upgrade. We need to, what a good fight. Yes, pumapalak pa ang ating mga nam sa jury. Thank you. Napabilib ang ating mga nam sa jury, pati ako. Grabe. Thank you very much, Sobretodo, Esguerra, and Sablaya for giving us such a good race. Parang MotoGP. And I think by watching this, we can see the potential of this track, no? And again, Jacob Sablaya of Honda proved that it's possible to overtake on the outside sa first corner. Wow. Very impressive. Again, our result, it's EJ Sobretodo of V-Man Kicks Angkas winning over Honda Triumph JT's Jacob Sablaya. after a close and daring overtake over Dustin Esguerra of Dino Gili MLW on his Yamaha R15. And of course, the winner of the SP class is Carl Ferrer of Sec Moto Supply 137 on his KTM, followed by her teammate Queenie Claveria, just less than 2 seconds behind. Oh, 1 point something seconds behind lang of Sec Moto Supply. Si Queenie po, ano yan, second year pa lang po lang niya talagang kumakarera. So to finish this close to the winner is a big achievement na rin po. Congratulations.